Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the fascinating history of the 1998 Belgian 5 franc coin featuring King Albert II. Although this coin has a face value of only 5 Belgian francs, it represents an important chapter in Belgium's monetary history. It was one of the last circulating coins issued before Belgium adopted the euro, making it a memorable piece for collectors and history lovers alike. Let's take a closer look at its story. The Belgian franc served as Belgium's official currency from 1832 until 2002, when it was replaced by the euro. Over nearly 170 years, millions of Belgian francs circulated throughout the country, witnessing wars, economic growth, and political change. By the late 1990s, Belgium was preparing for the arrival of the new European currency, making the final franc coins historically significant. The 5 franc coin issued in 1998 belongs to the reign of King Albert II, who became King of the Belgians in 1993 after the death of his brother, King Baudouin. Albert II ruled during a period of modernization, European integration, and economic stability. His portrait appeared on several Belgian coins, symbolizing national unity during the country's transition into the euro era. The obverse of the coin features a left-facing portrait of King Albert II. Below the portrait appears the inscription, Albert II. The design is simple and elegant, reflecting the modern style of Belgian coinage. The portrait was created by engraver Jan-Alphonse Kustermans, whose work appears on several Belgian coins of this period. The reverse side displays the denomination 5 francs along with the year 1998 and the country name Belgique on the French language version. Belgium is a multilingual nation, and many of its circulating coins were produced in both French and Dutch versions. The Dutch version carries the inscription Belgique and the denomination 5 franc, while the design remains essentially the same. This bilingual tradition reflects Belgium's cultural diversity. The 1998 5 franc coin was struck from aluminium bronze, giving it a distinctive golden appearance. It weighs 5.5 grams, measures 24 millimeters in diameter, has a thickness of 1.78 millimeters, and features a plain edge. These specifications made it durable for everyday circulation while keeping production costs reasonable. One interesting detail is the mint and privy marks found beside the denomination. These tiny symbols identified the Royal Mint of Belgium and the official responsible for the coin's production. Such marks are valuable to collectors because they help distinguish different varieties and production years. The year 1998 was particularly important for Europe. During this period, the European Union was finalizing preparations for the launch of the euro. Although euro coins and banknotes did not officially enter circulation until 2002, Belgium was already preparing for the historic currency change. As a result, the 1998 Belgian 5 franc became one of the final regular circulation issues before the Belgian franc disappeared forever. Millions of these coins were produced for circulation, meaning they are generally common today. Because of their high mintage, circulated examples usually have modest market values. However, coins preserved in brilliant uncirculated condition, official mint sets, or with exceptional quality can command higher prices among collectors. According to published mintage information, around 32.5 million examples of the French-language 1998 issue were struck. Collectors appreciate this coin not because it is extremely rare, but because it represents the end of an era. The Belgian franc had served generations of Belgians before making way for the euro. Owning a 1998 5 franc coin means holding one of the last everyday coins used before a major change in European monetary history. The engravers also deserve recognition. The obverse portrait by Jan-Alphonse Kustermans captures King Albert II with clean, modern lines, while the reverse was designed by Legion Tits, whose balanced layout gives the coin a distinctive and recognizable appearance. Belgium's practice of issuing coins in multiple languages makes its coinage especially interesting. Some years feature French inscriptions, while others feature Dutch inscriptions. Collectors often enjoy assembling both language versions to complete their collections. When the euro officially replaced the Belgian franc in 2002, the 5 franc coin lost its legal tender status. Nevertheless, These coins remain widely collected around the world because they represent Belgium's final national currency before joining the common European monetary system. Today, finding a circulated 1998 Belgium 5 franc coin is not difficult. They are frequently available through coin dealers, online marketplaces, and mixed world coin collections. Their affordability makes them an excellent starting point for new collectors interested in European coins. If you're fortunate enough to own an uncirculated example with bright original luster, it may be worth slightly more than a circulated piece. Coins preserved in official mint packaging are especially attractive to collectors because they maintain their original condition. For collectors who enjoy building historical collections, the 1998 5 franc fits perfectly into themes such as last coins before the euro, Belgian monarchs, or European currency history. It tells the story of a nation moving from its historic national currency into a new era of European cooperation. Although this coin may not be rare in terms of mintage, its historical importance continues to grow with time. Each passing year makes these final Belgian franc coins more nostalgic, especially for those who remember using them before the euro arrived. In conclusion, the 1998 Belgium 5 franc Albert II coin is much more than a small piece of aluminium bronze. It represents the final years of the Belgian franc, the reign of King Albert II, Belgium's multilingual heritage, and the country's transition into the euro era. Whether you're an experienced numismatist or a beginner, this coin is a meaningful addition to any collection. If you have enjoyed this video, thanks for watching.